If you're experiencing server timeout issues on your PlayStation 5, adjusting the timeout settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to increase the server timeout. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PS5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Go to network. In the settings menu, scroll down and select the network option to access your network settings. Step 3. Select settings. Within the network menu, choose settings to view more options related to your internet connection. Step 4. Configure internet connection. Select Configure internet connection and choose the network you are currently connected to, whether it's Wi-Fi or LAN. Step 5. Adjust timeout settings. Look for options related to timeout settings or MTU maximum transmission unit size. Adjust these settings according to your preference, then save the changes and exit. By following these steps, you should be able to increase the server timeout on your PlayStation 5, leading to a more stable online gaming experience. If issues persist, consider checking your internet connection or contacting support for further assistance.